Traveling abroad and can't find One Punch Man on Netflix anymore? One Punch Man may not be on Netflix in your current location, but it's still available on Netflix USA. The fastest and easiest way to watch One Punch Man is with a VPN. VPNs, or virtual private networks, are made up of hundreds of private servers located in different countries around the world. All you need to do is download your VPN, find USA in the server list, and click to connect. I'm going to use ExpressVPN to show you how to watch One Punch Man on Netflix. It's my top choice for accessing geo-blocked shows because it has servers in USA and more than 90 other countries, so you'll be able to stream quality content from almost anywhere. Now I'm going to show you how to use ExpressVPN to watch One Punch Man. It's really easy. All you need to do is click on the link below to go to ExpressVPN's site. Click on Get ExpressVPN, then choose the plan that works best for you. Longer plans come with bigger discounts, so I really recommend using our discount code. Enter your email address, then choose your payment method and add your details. Once your purchase has gone through, copy your activation code. Then choose the right download for your device, download it, and run the installation wizard. When it's finished installing, paste in your activation code, and that's it. You're ready to go. Next, you need to find USA in the server list. In the Selected Location box, you'll find 3 dots. Click on them to open ExpressVPN's location list. Then click on All Locations and scroll through the region list to find the USA. Alternatively, you can search for USA by typing it into the search box. Click on USA, then click the big Connect button. It takes just seconds to connect. Finally, open your browser and go to Netflix. Search for One Punch Man and click play. As you can see, it just works. That's thanks to ExpressVPN's reliable connections, fast speeds, and ability to unblock almost anything. And that's it. It really is that easy to watch One Punch Man on Netflix from anywhere. All you need to do is find a great VPN with fast speeds and powerful unblocking capabilities, like ExpressVPN, and use it to connect to a server in the USA. You'll be able to log into Netflix USA and watch One Punch Man with zero buffering. If you want to learn more about ExpressVPN, don't miss our full review. If this video has helped you, please leave us a like or a comment and subscribe to our channel.